everybody, so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video I honestly cannot quite believe I'm saying this, but we are going to be doing my Lush Christmas haul for 2024. Now you're probably thinking, Melody, the Lush Christmas range doesn't come out until the 26th of September. You would be correct. However, this evening I got to attend a Lush event where they had pretty much all of the Lush Christmas range and we got to pick some up, and I am so excited to share all of this with you. So let's not talk any further, let's jump into the video and see what I got from the Christmas range of 2024. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I honestly cannot even really remember what is in this bag, so I'm just gonna put my hands in and we're gonna pull some stuff out. So the first thing I picked up is a shower gel, and this is of course the Yognog shower gel. I am a massive Yognog advocate. If you guys have watched me for a while, this fragrance and I are like best mates. Do you know what I mean? Like, I am a big fan of Yognog. I love it so much, and this basically smells like toffee, caramel, vanilla. It is so good. So on the front of this one it says, gift your shower times a little gold. Who says you can't be sweet and spicy, naughty and nice every single night? I am so excited to finally be able to use this. Honestly, I absolutely love Yognog shower gel. I love the glitter in this one. Ingredients wise, we have some incredible things like fine sea salt. You've also got maple syrup water, which just sounds absolutely delicious. You also have clove bud oil, ylang ylang oil, gardenia extract. It is just the most delicious shower gel. If you guys have never tried it is so good. And honestly, the glitter in this is beautiful. I love that it doesn't separate like the old kind of formulas used to. Like, this really just stays within that shower gel beautifully. And I'm just so excited to use this one. So that's the first thing I picked up. The next item I picked up is a shower jelly, and that is the Polar Bear Dreaming Shower Jelly. This one says, wrap yourself up in a big bear hug with sweet butterball scented lathers. I am so, again, just so excited. I feel like I'm going to say the words so excited about 18 million times in this video. Ingredients wise in this one, you've got cranberry infusion and carrageenan extract, avocado butter and ylang ylang oil. Let's give it a smell. Honestly, if I'm being real, I really don't want to pull this out of the tub, but oh, it's so good. So it's butterball scented, which is a really lovely gentle fragrance. If you're somebody that doesn't want a fragrance that's really strong and overpowering, this would be perfect. It is so good. So I don't know if you guys can see, probably not. If I tip it the other way, you might be able to see. It's a little tiny bear. It is so cute, but I don't want to get him out the pot because I didn't bring a towel and my hands will be slimy for the entirety of the video. But yeah, that is the shower jelly I picked up, and I'm just really looking forward to using this one. I might even put this one in the freezer, so yeah. Not sure about that, but this is the second item I picked up. The next item I picked up is a lip scrub, and you're probably watching this video saying, Melody, every single time you buy a lip scrub, you say you don't need another lip scrub, you have too many, and it's becoming a problem. And honestly it is, but every single lip scrub that Lush release smells and tastes too good to leave it. So this is the Merry Christmas lip scrub. I just love the look of this one. It smelt incredible. Are we going to do a taste test? Yes, we are. This one says sweet and fruity festive scrub. And ingredients wise in this one, we've got jojoba oil, cherry kernel oil, fair trade shea butter. You've also got Davana oil, orange oil, and I'm pretty sure that's absolutely it. Oh, blackcurrant absolute as well. Let's give this one a smell. Honestly, I don't even know what this smells like, but I need to taste it. That smells and tastes so good. Oh, I think that's the best Christmas lip scrub I have ever used. It's so good. It's definitely sweet. It kind of tastes like an alcoholic like cocktail, but without that alcohol taste. It's got that sweet fruity mix of like flavors that's I'm lost for words. This is so good. And again, this is the Merry Christmas. I'm just really pleased with that. I absolutely love this. When we were at the event as well, there was a knot wrap section, which was just so fun. We basically got to take all of our goodies to be wrapped in a festive knot wrap. So this is mine, and it is really cute. I don't want to open it, but I think I'm gonna have to because I feel like I need to show you the knot wrap. Now, if you guys know me personally, you will know that I am not a cat person. I am always a dog person. However, I personally am a silk knot wrap kind of girl. Like, I love the silk knot wraps to put in my hair. I find them easier to use and easier to just like use as like hair wraps and things. And the silk knot wrap that they had has a giant cat on it, which isn't normally my cup of tea. However, the trim of this one is so beautiful. Like, look at that. How could I leave it? It's absolutely stunning. However, there is a ginormous cat on it, which again, I'm not a cat person, but it's actually really cute. Like, look at that. I don't know whose cat this is, but absolutely adorable. So we got to take this home, which was so generous, and I have a bunch of goodies inside this knot wrap as well. So if you guys saw my Lush Christmas spoilers video, you would have seen that they are releasing not 1, not 2, not 3, but in fact 4 different Snow Fairy shower gels, which might seem a little bit OTT. However, I did have to pick myself one up. They didn't actually have one of them in stock, but they did have this one, which I knew I wanted. This is the Snow Fairy Milkshake Shower Gel, and it says, confidence and joy. Is that what it says? Honestly, delirious. Confidence and joy in an oat milkshake. This sweet treat for the skin cleanses and soothes with cherries to make skin brighter and life pinker. And ingredients wise, this one has oat milk, fine sea salt, fresh cherry juice, and Parisian lime oil. So this is really interesting because a lot of the Snow Fairy products I feel don't have an awful lot of like fresh ingredients, but I might be wrong. Anyway, let's give it a smell. So this one does smell like Snow Fairy, obviously, but it's got that creamy undertone to it that I feel like I love this more than Snow Fairy. Do I say it? I've said it. It is so good. Again, this is what it looks like. It's a really beautiful, obviously creamy colour. Essentially, it is what Snow Fairy would look like if it was a milkshake. It's a lovely pink creamy colour. I am so excited to try this one. I think this could be one of my kind of Christmas staples this year. So yeah, that is a shower gel I picked up. Something which I originally wasn't going to bother getting, but as soon as I saw it on display, I saw the colour of it and I was like, I need that in my basket right this instant. And that is the Sleepy Bear shower gel. Now just look at the colour of this one. This is the most beautiful shower gel I think I've ever seen. I am a purple fan and I love Sleepy. You guys know this, but the colour of this, honestly, like look how beautiful that shift is. It's absolutely stunning. So this one says, soothing oat and lavender infusion lathers for a very relaxing bedtime shower. And ingredients wise on this one, we've got oat and lavender flower infusion. We've also got fine sea salt, lavender oil, chamomile oil, neroli oil, lavender absolute. It's basically full of really relaxing and uplifting scents, and it does smell like, I think it's dream... What was the smell? It's like dream cream, deep sleep kind of vibe. Like it's very chamomile-y, very lavendery, and it's just beautiful. I feel so incredibly lucky to like have my hands on all of this already, but this product is very, very nice. And again, you guys know, I love a lavender, I love sleepy, twilight, that kind of thing, but this is it's just very good, very relaxing. Like I can see why people would really love this product, and I'm just so excited. So that is the Sleepy Bear shower gel, and I just couldn't say no. So I'm really excited about that one. An item which, when I saw this on the list of things that were going to be coming out, I knew I wanted to get, and that is the Shoot for the Stars body scrub. Now this one is actually a salt scrub as opposed to a sugar scrub, so this one is a bit more of like a liquidier texture, which I'm not mad about. I do love the sugar scrubs, don't get me wrong, but I'm excited to try this one. And this one says, exfoliating fine sea salt and conditioning coconut cream leaves skin with a stellar glow. And again, this is Shoot for the Stars scented, so this is a beautiful Honey I Wash the Kids, very sweet kind of fragrance. Ingredients wise in this one, you have got fine sea salt, Brazilian orange oil, creamed coconut, you've also got carrageenan extract, gardenia extract, but if I'm being honest, it literally smells like honey. It's the Honey I Wash the Kids fragrance, so it's very sweet, very honey-y. Is honey-y a word? Probably not, but it's so good, and it has this jelly star on the top. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed with this, and I just cannot wait to use that as well. I really love Honey I Wash the Kids. I think it's a very underrated scent. Like I know it's a popular scent at Lush, don't get me wrong, but I think I forget about it a lot, and it is really, really good. So I'm really excited about this one. Let me know down below, are you going to pick some of this up? Because smelling it alone, I need like 10 bottles of it. And the next item is a skincare product, and we actually got to make these in store ourselves. So if mine looks ugly, Please don't hurt my feelings, okay? There was a lot of pressure, but I believe the guy's name was John, who was showing us how to make it, and we got to make some Bouche de Noël facial cleanser. Unfortunately, I don't have any of the ingredients or anything like that, but I have used this before, and it's a beautiful cleanser. Honestly, I think these last up to 4 weeks or 28 days, I think, something like that. And this is a beautiful, like, oh, it's just so good. It really takes me back to working for Lush at Christmas. It's the most lovely fragrance. I won't lie, it smells like Play-Doh, but like in a good way. Does that make sense? I believe it has cranberries in it. It's a very gentle, moisturizing kind of cleanser because it's got chunks of cocoa butter in it. So when you're exfoliating it into the skin, that all melts into your skin as well. So it's so softening. It's just so good, but it definitely smells like Play-Doh. But this is mine. This is my little gold angel on the top. I probably put far too much of the gold glitter on there, but I could not help myself. Like, we basically got to paint all that on by hand, and I was having a great time. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. And again, really thankful that we got the opportunity to make that. So again, thank you, John. You were great. So you've probably got to this point in the video and you're thinking, Melody, where's all the bath products? Well, I hear you. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bath products to share with you. I am so incredibly excited about all of them. So let's dive into those. So the first item I picked up is the Sugar Plum Sparkles Bubble Bar. I don't think you guys are ready for this because this is probably the most beautiful bubble bar I've ever seen. I didn't even need to smell it. Like, this went straight into my basket. And guys, honestly, you're not ready. Are you ready for this? I don't think I'm ready for this. Like, can we just take a moment? Like, look at how beautiful this bubble bar is. Honestly, I cannot get over it. This is the most beautiful thing I've honestly ever seen. I've got glitter all over my hands now, but this, as I said, is the Sugar Plum Sparkles Bubble Bar, and this is Sugar Plum Fairy Scented, which is Sweet Wild Orange. Honestly, I could cry. I actually want to be sick. It is so good. Look at that. Like, I feel like I can't get you guys to look at this enough. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen, and this is your sign. Pick one of these up. This is so good. So good. So that's the first thing I bought, and I want to eat it. I know I can't, but I want to eat it. The next item I picked up is a bath bomb, and this is the Groovy Fairy Bath Bomb. She's just really sweet and obviously smells like our ever so classic Snow Fairy fragrance. It's very strong, very sweet. If you love bubblegum, cotton candy, really strong, invasive smells, you will love this one. Again, it's a really lovely pink fairy bath bomb. Just something simple. I feel like sometimes a simple Snow Fairy bath bomb, it just hits the right spot. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's so good. Oh, it's absolutely delish. So that is the next item I picked up, and I am so excited. I might even mix that with the Sugar Plum Bubble Bar. Might be amazing. The next item is another bath bomb, and this is the Frosty the Snowman Bath Bomb. Again, I'm just so in love with him. He's so cute, and this one is maypole scented. Like, maypole fragrance makes me want to cry. I love this smell. It's a very subtle, creamy mint smell. It basically smells like a stick of rock at the beach. Oh, it's just so good. He's very cute. He's very simple. I just love a bath bomb like this. I'm not going to lie, when I saw him, I instantly thought, are you going to smell like Butterball? But he doesn't. Oh, it's just so good. So yeah, this one was a really nice, just a nice subtle smelling bath bomb. I'm really excited about that one. The next item is again another bath bomb. Would you guys believe it? This is the Mother Christmas Bath Bomb. Now you're probably looking at this thinking, is that going to smell like Snow Fairy? No, it does not. This one smells like Yummy Yummy Yummy, which is the Strawberry Feel scent. It's so good. I cannot tell you how much this is good. Honestly, it's delicious. It's sweet. It's definitely got that strawberry like undertone to it, but it's not a fresh strawberry smell. It's absolutely incredible. I love this. This is so good. And again, she's simple. She's cute. Like, it's nothing too overpowering or too crazy on the colour. She's got a subtle sparkle, and I'm just obsessed. So that was the next bath bomb I picked up, and she is so cute. She's also kind of giving, like, you know, the fairy godmother from Shrek, but imagine her sister who's really sweet, really gentle. Like, does she not scream that kind of vibe? I don't know if it's the glasses and the bun, but I love that one. The next item is the Humbug Bath Bomb. I had to pick this one up because this just screams retro sweet shop kind of vibes, and the smell of this one, it's so good. It is cinnamon. Like, it's pure cinnamon smell. It's so good. It basically smells like Christmas in a bath bomb. I'm not gonna lie, is there a colour in the middle? I have no idea. But as soon as I picked this up and smelt it, I just knew that I needed it because my mouth was salivating. This is so good. If you love that Christmas, spicy, warming, festive smell, you will love this one. And I'm sorry, but it looks just so cute. It is like the perfect shape of a sweet. It is so good. Oh, I love it so much. I'm not gonna lie, like if I looked at that in the shop, I would think like, I'm not gonna like that one, but that is delish. And last but definitely not least, this is a product which I knew I needed to get my hands on because as soon as I saw it, I was like, you are coming home with me. I wanted to buy about 1 million of these, however, I only picked up one, and that is the Magic of Christmas bubble bar. Look at the glitter. Like, can we take a moment? This is beautiful. I absolutely love Lush's bubble bars. I think they are so just great value for money. I can get about 6 baths out of one of these, so I absolutely love that. And I just knew I needed this. The glitter alone is enough for me to want about 20 of them, but the smell, I just can't. I just cannot. This smells spicy, warming, Christmassy. Oh, it's basically every kind of smell that you would want on Christmas morning. Like, it is so good. I'm just so excited about this one. Oh, I need to stop smelling it because glitter is going everywhere, but that is the Magic of Christmas bubble bar, and honestly, I'm salivating. Delicious. So those are all of the items I picked up from the Lush Christmas range of 2024. I am so excited, so grateful, and just overjoyed that I finally have my hands on all of these items, and honestly, I am just so excited. I cannot contain myself. So thank you so much, Lush. Thank you so much for watching. I honestly appreciate you guys so incredibly much, and I am just beyond grateful. So that is everything for today's video. If you guys haven't subscribed, you guys know what to do. We film a lot of Lush content over here on this channel, and I'm just so excited that you guys are here. So without further ado, I'm gonna end today's video. I love you guys so incredibly much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.